How to reset Spotify password without email. So first of all, open your Spotify, then you can tap on login, and in here, very first thing that you need to do is like if you have connected your account or if you have created your account using any of those platforms, you can tap on them and there won't be any requirement of adding down your email address to reset your password, right? So you can tap on, let's just say Google, you can tap on continue. Then from here, you need to add in, obviously choose your Google ID, then you need to add in the password of your account, right? So when you're doing that, you can simply tap on the option forgot password, and there will be the further process of how you'll be able to reset your Google password, and like that you can reset your password without requirement of your email address. But in here, if if you haven't created your account using any of those social platforms and you also don't know your email address, then I recommend you guys using some sort of password manager, like it could be your iCloud keychain or Google password, to see if you have any of your old password in there of your Spotify account, right? But if you still cannot find it anywhere in there, then lastly I recommend you guys to contact to the customer service of Spotify. So what you can do is simply open your browser, right? And in your browser, what you can do is simply search for Spotify customer service. So after doing that, here you can see, tap on that contact us link, and then from here you can now start contacting the Spotify customer service. I'm pretty sure that there will be a help for you. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.